Probably 2 bins there. Did he put my bin there? Doesn't matter. Trying to someone put his bin there.
May 2 bin sa labas ng bahay namin. Tas, may 3 bin. 2 lang naman yung bin namin. So, hindi namin alam kung kanino ang isang bin yan. Anyway, Anzac Day today. Pupunta sana kami dun sa, what do you call that, babe? Service? What's going on there?
They got pipes.
Pipes? Service, babe? You call it service? The one that we're supposed to go today?
Yeah, we didn't.
But it's called service, right?
Yeah, Anzac Day service.
Yeah, pupunta sana kami sa Anzac Day service. Kaya lang sobrang aga nun eh. And gusto ni Dan mag-sleep in. He's doing good actually. He slept really early last night. Pupunta kami sa bahay ng kuya niya. I-drop namin itong sasakyan. And then, kukunin namin yung sasakyan niya. Kasi makaka-drive na ako. I can drive now! I passed the... Ooh, yellow mini. I passed the test yesterday. Nag-take ako ng theory test. And I passed. So, binigyan nila ako ng paper na pwede ka na mag-drive. Legit. Pwede naman talaga ako mag-drive sa license ko noon. Gusto lang talaga makakita ni Dan ng, like, you know, official na something na pwede na talaga ako mag-drive. So, now na meron na yun, pwede na. I can drive his car! Yes! Not this one. Hindi ko afford to kung may mangyaring masama. Walang mangyaring masama. Sana ko makaka-tuk-tuk-tuk-tuk. We will have coffee somewhere?
Yeah, we're just going for a drive with McDonald's.
Okay. Drive through and then go home? And then we will go to Hondorf as well today. That's a long drive. That is a long drive. And it's gonna rain there as well, so good luck. What can I do here? Let me just park here because I can't see anything.
I'd do it more on a level road if I was going to change the mirrors instead of on a hill.
Okay. I just don't feel comfortable now.
It's only mirrors, babe. You can turn a corner without the mirrors.
Oops.
Okay, do it on this road. You can do the mirrors more flatter.
I'm like choked by your seatbelt. I'm so close to your steering wheel. I'm driving his car. What?
How much petrol?
I don't know where your petrol is.
It's on there.
Yeah, we're fine. Almost E.
No, quarter we're at.
Yeah. Are you still filming me? We're going to the city!
Try not to kill us.
Dito kami sa McDonald's. We'll have brekkie. We had coffee and toasty. We ordered coffee and toasty. How was my driving?
Can you see my hair?
How was my driving?
Shit. It's bad.
Hello, we're going to Hondorf. With that guy right there. I'll be driving. First long drive. I don't. Why do you have a different key? Should be here. I don't know where the keys are. Is it in my bag?
What you brought? I don't know. You had last.
I think I gave it to you.
No.
Is it in the living room? I think it's there. Ay. Kasama namin yung kambal ni Dan, at saka yung asawa niya, at saka yung baby nila. So, pupunta kami doon. Ang tawag namin sa kanila, the model couple. Kasi ang ganda at saka ang gwapo. Tapos, fit pa silang dalawa. Nag-workout sila. Cute ng baby nila. Do you
want a pillow to sit on?
Yeah, grab a pillow. Kuha sila ng pillow. I'm bringing this kasi magiging malamig doon.
Okay, keep an eye. So there's no arrow, so that car can move forward.
Yep.
It should, but he should have. And he would have made it through.
Okay.
So now You'll get a green arrow if you wait long enough. How are you feeling?
I'm alright. Are you nervous?
No.
We're back sa Porsche. Iniwan namin yung sasakyan ni Dan dun sa bahay ng kuya niya. And then, pupunta kami. Uwi na kami! Hindi man lang ako nakapag-vlog sa Andor. Umuulan kasi guys. Tapos sobrang busy dun sa pub. As in sobra. Busog na busog ako. Are you full, babe?
Very full.
Yeah, very full. Sobrang dami yung kinakain namin. Grabe. I drove his car! I drove your car, babe.
You did.
Were you nervous?
Not at all. To start
Yeah.
with. You did a good job.
Yeah, at first I was like, Guys, first time ko mag-drive on that side, tapos on this side of the road. Sa Philippines kasi, we drive on the right side of the road. Plus, we drive on this side, do we? Yeah, we drive on this side. Dito sa side ng car. And then on the other side of the road. I have tried driving on the left side of the road nung nasa Cayman ako. Kasi left side siya. Kaya lang, yung car naman na dinrive ko, dito pa rin sa left side. So I was driving on the left side of the road and then like I was on the left side of the car. So yeah, first time ko mag-drive on the left side of the road and then right side of the car. This is really tight in here. Oh my gosh. Yung mga cars, they double park. Nagdo-double park, nakakaloka. Anyway, we're heading home. That was a good experience. I drove for how many hours today? Heaps.
Yeah, almost 2 hours.
Almost 2?
Yeah, in the morning would have been close to an hour, like half an hour there and back. And some would have been half an hour there and back as well.
Oh, was it
That
just
would have been
half an hour?
It would have been 2 hours all up. Yeah, it would have been
Maybe 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah, around that.
I'm not driving tomorrow because we're taking this car papunta sa work and on the way back. But
You drive on the weekend.
yeah, I can drive on the weekend using his car again. And yeah, ang hirap lang kasi yung car ni Dan, I'm too low, so I actually use 2 pillows. Did you vlog that? I use 2 pillows. Isang pillow sa seat, sa ano talaga, sa base ng seat, tapos isa sa likod. Yun, kailangan ko mag-pillow. Nakakaloka. Kasi kailangan ko makita yung harap. Kapag hindi mo nakita yung harap, parang it's really weird driving. Anyway, we're good. I survived. We survived. Kailangan ko lang, I need to watch my speed. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi minsan I don't notice that I'm going too fast. I was going 110 on a 90 road. That is dangerous. You can't do that. Kasi sa Philippines, we don't have speed tickets. So parang hindi ako nagfo-focus masyado sa speed. Like as long as okay, sa feeling ko yung speed ko okay lang. Pero dito kasi may speed limit sila everywhere. Kailangan mo talagang sundin yung speed limit kasi kapag na-catch ka ng camera, makaka-fine ka. At least $400.
How much is it in pesos?
Shoot, $400 would be like 15,000. Ang mahal ng speed ticket dito kaya kailangan kong i-watch yung speed ko. Kasi minsan hindi ko talaga napapansin. Buti na lang si Dad, like, you're going too fast, you're going too fast. Hindi pa ako confident mag-drive na ako lang mag-isa. Well, I can't drive alone anyway, kasi lagi naman kami magkasama. But, yeah. It's good though. It feels nice. I wasn't like too nervous. Pero I'm not ready to take the practical exam yet. Because I'm pretty sure I will fail. He is my instructor. How would you grade me?
Out of what, 10 or?
How do they grade you here?
I don't know, you can do,
For driving?
I don't know. It's
Pass or fail?
Pass or fail. There's no-
I failed, right? I
If it
failed.
was a test, you would have failed. Definitely.
Yeah, for sure. Kasi ang dami kong nag-speed ako. And then, isa pa, the car that I drive in the Philippines, iba yung kung nasan yung para signal at saka iba din yung para sa wiper. So kung kapag nag-signal ako, napapunta ako ng right at saka left yung wiper na ano ko. Yun, fail na agad talaga. Kailangan mo talaga mag-indicate. Fail na yun, fail talaga ako today. Wala na. Oh, sorry. Remote. I'm failing sa wife as well. Sorry, babe. We're good. Open sesame door. Guys, I look scary. I am using this Dust Defense Bubble Mask. Ito yung itsura niya. It's from Skin. It's black. It was black. And now na-cover siya ng mga bubbles. So, it's bubbling. Like, look at... See? Diba meron nung Miss Piggy na nalalagay mo siya sa mukha mo tapos as in nagbabubble up talaga siya. But this one is a mask and it's so interesting. sobrang tagal ko na ito gusto gamitin, kaya lang hinihintay ko na nag-vlog ako. And yeah, timing na magmamasa ako today and I'm vlogging. So, yun. Bubble siya. Hindi ko alam kung nagbabubble siya sa ilalim or sa ano lang siya. Oops. May mga bubbles tayo dyan. Hindi ko alam kung nagbabubble siya sa ilalim or sa ano lang siya, sa labas. But I can hear it. Parang nagka-crackle ng konti. Can you hear? Siguro magto-toner ako after nito, or siguro I need to wash my face. Like, I don't know kung ano mangyayari sa kanya after. But, yeah. Yung lashes ko, guys, konti na lang yung natira. It doesn't look as bad, pero gusto ko mawala na sila lahat. Kaya lang, hindi siya magiging maganda. Kasi it will slowly, like, you know, fall off. So, hindi sila mag-fall off sila lahat. Kasi kapag gano'n, wala na makakalbo na ako. I think, as in, magbabubble talaga siya. Like, kakapal talaga siya. Hindi ko alam. Tingnan natin mamaya. I'll get back to you guys later kung as in, kakapal talaga siya. I'll show you. Ganito yung itsura niya after 15 minutes. And tingnan nyo. Malalim siya. It's actually bubbling up sa ilalim as well. Like, see? So, yeah. Napaka-interesting lang yung tingnan. I actually really enjoy it. Okay, tatanggalin ko na siya. And then, looks like I have to wash my face kasi maging bubbly siya. But we'll see. Oh, okay. Okay. It feels really nice and cooling. Ayoko lang na nag-wash kasi nag-wash na ako ng mukha ko kanina. Nung tinanggal ko yung makeup ko, tapos ngayon wash na naman. Nakakapagod. But that's alright. Matay magawa. Bubble eh. Anyway, I will close my vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.